Hey guys, it's Anna back with another Halloween swag. If you saw, we did the eyeball one before, super cute. Maybe eyeballs aren't your thing, you like more of just like a fun, whimsical look. So this one's for you. We've paired a black and white spiral stem. It's a fabric, but it's all wired. It's really cute and you can manipulate those. So when they come in, when you buy the kit on shopdeeslouisville.com, they're actually gonna come in like this. And all I did was just pull the end out and kind of make them look more like that. If you like this look, kind of like a curly Q, feel free to do that too. Either one is gonna look really cute. And then what I've put on top of it is this adorable black and white polka dotted ball stem. It's got some glitter, it's got some purple. I wanted to add in a little bit more color with that one. So that's gonna lay right on top of it. So I'm gonna make this swag just like all the other swags. I'm gonna show you twisted to a boxwood. You can put this on a lantern, all different places. Chop the stem, bring some out to the side, bring a couple down. This has got a short stem on it, so you don't have to chop it a whole lot. Again, just fluff it a little bit. Lay that right on top of that one, and as you can see, this one's a little bit bigger and airier. So if you like it on the boxwood, you can do it. You could put it on a grapevine. You could even put it on like a mesh base, something like that, or a magnolia wreath, anything you have, or go ahead and twist it onto that lantern. Look how fun and cute it is on there. Just to add a little bit of Halloween pop to it too. And I have spread these out really far. So if this is too long for what you have, you can just leave these curled back up a little bit tighter. So next is my ribbon. And again, if I go too fast, feel free to go to YouTube. We have all kinds of videos where I go a little bit slower. I'm just showing you a different Halloween swag here. I've chosen the black and white diamond harlequin. The diamond is in glitter, so it has a little bit of a shine to it. I love that. I'm going to leave this as the back one. So I'm just gonna do it as a piece. So I have two tails of it. So I'm gonna leave the top one a little bit shorter, cut the longer one for the bottom. And all of the ribbons and the two stems that you need will be included in the kit on shopdeeslouisville.com. Next up, I chose a 1.5 inch green with black dots. Super cute there. I'm gonna make a couple loops of that one. All right, cut that one's tail too. And lastly, I chose a 1.5 inch full glitter. So if glitter is not your thing, maybe this is not the kit for you, but I like a little glitter when it comes to Halloween or Valentine's Day. And this one is full glitter. So it's a really pretty, nice ribbon. It's thick. All the ribbon you see that we use in any of our kits is like a high quality designer ribbon. It's not going to collapse on you. A lot of people mention that, how my bows stand up so pretty when I make them, and it's all because of the ribbon. It's got a nice wire in it. It's a thicker ribbon. It's not going to be like that lower quality where it wants to fold on you. Okay, I'm going to make a couple loops of that, and look how much that shines on there. It's so cute. It will really pop on the door. Cut that one. Take my little cloth covered wire. Tie that in a knot. And then I'm going to go in the same spot I usually do, right kind of in the middle where they meet. Tie it in a knot again back here. What's so nice about all these swag kits that you guys love is that you can twist them right off of your wreath. You buy one boxwood wreath, you use it all season. So we had them for summer, we're going to have them for Christmas. We've had fall ones go up, you guys have seen, and now we're doing the Halloween. So I'm going to twist it right on. Then take a few minutes just to move everything around. Look, that one's kind of hiding. I'm going to bring that down here so you see that orange. This one is just so fun. Look how whimsical it looks on that. I'm going to cut these tails. This one I'm going to spiral, just curl it on itself. And then pull it out, and it gives you that nice kind of curly Q look. Cut this one, and look, if you look behind there, that green spiral is hiding. I definitely want to bring that up. I don't want that to get lost. Cut the tails up here too. Same thing. We've got a black and white spiral ball back there. Bring that forward. Another orange spiral. Bring that guy forward. And look how cute it is on the boxwood. Again, you put it on a grapevine, put it on a lantern. And it's just something fun and inexpensive you can get for Halloween. Use what you've already got at home and add to it. Stay tuned. We're going to keep posting fall and Halloween videos. We're also going to move into Christmas soon, and I know you guys are waiting for that, so definitely tune back in.